Hey guys, so today we're going to do a joint mobility workout during Ther with Lesa. Okay, I made this routine, so it is mostly just joint mobility. Okay, it's very low intensity. So it may be boring for some of you, but this is ideal for when you wake up in the morning and before you go to bed at night. And for those that are sedentary, always sitting. Okay, we're going to do this routine in a chair. Doesn't matter what kind of chair, recliner, this kind of chair, whatever. So, we're gonna start with posture. Posture is very, very important, okay? You gotta think of your puppet, nice and tall, okay? You have a cage with a bird in there, okay? So you wanna keep the bird in the cage. You want to relax your shoulders and let them drop. That is perfect posture. You need to try to do this when you walk. Stop it. When you walk and when you are sitting. A lot of us want to do this. No, that's not good. So big and tall, cage, shoulders back. Okay? Next we're going to go over pierced lip breathing. Very important. So when you are doing a extensive workout, a lot of people want to hold their breath. Don't do that. So during the hardest part of the workout, you want to breathe in. And then the easiest part, you want to breathe out. But this workout isn't really hard. So breathe in through your nose like you're smelling the roses. You breathe out through your nose like you're going to blow out a candle. Again, keep that posture. Okay. We're going to do hallelujahs. Hallelujahs is what I kind of made up. It's, you go up. You want to lead with your thumbs. So go up and then turn your thumbs and you're going to scoop. That's what I call hallelujah. So again, we're going to do it for a little bit. This really opens up your shoulders. Okay, next one is lateral head flexion. Stretch. Okay, so we're going to stretch our neck. So I want you to put one hand behind your back. Just let it rest there. Don't be doing this. This is a stretch, okay? We're stretching our neck. So I want you to grasp the side of your head and gently stretch. You can even hold the bottom of the chair and give you a bigger stretch if you hold on to something. Then you can rock your neck back and forth, getting all the different muscle groups. Okay, slowly release. You're going to do the other side. So grasp the chair or let your hand sit behind you. Grasp your head, gently pull. Rotate your head down and back. Go back to center and and slowly release. Good. Okay, next is core rotations. Okay, it's not a drip, you know, a lot of people want to bend their body down. Don't do that. It's just a straight over. Remember your perfect posture. It's a stretch. So you want to grasp, if you have a recliner chair or a chair with arms, you can grasp it. But this one I have just the back. So stand big and tall. Don't do this. Good. Slowly release. Now we're going to go the other way. Big and tall. Good. Okay, now we're going to go to our arms. Arm flexed circles. Okay, so we're going to do our wrists. So we're going to do wrist circles. Remember to keep that posture the whole time. Okay, back the other way. Okay, next we're going to do flexion and extension of our wrist and fingers. Okay, mostly our wrist. Yeah, our wrist. So I'm going to turn in my chair, you just stay put. How to stretch this is you want to keep your forearm straight. You're going to put your hand on the palm and the fingers. Don't let your fingers curl, okay? Keep it straight. And you're going to slowly push back towards your elbow. Good. Now we're going to bend the wrist down. This is called flexion. Put pressure and there you go. Good. We're going to do this 2 times because this usually gets really tight because we use our hands a lot. We just don't take care of them. Again. And down. Good. Other arm. So you're gonna extend your hand, forearm, pull it back, make sure your fingers don't curl. This one's not as tight. I don't use my left hand very often. Okay, and then back down. And again, up. Push on that palm and fingers. Good, and down. Okay, now we're going to work on our thumbs. Opposition don't know if you can see. Opposition is just bringing your thumb over to your little finger. So we're gonna do a stretch. So I want you to stretch, and then, well, mainly you grasp the thumb. There's a muscle in here that's kind of like a rainbow, or web shaped right here. So you want to grasp your thumb and make sure it's straight and pull it back. You feel a nice stretch right in here. Okay, I want you to try to reach for that little finger. Keep the rest of your fingers straight. Just reach. Good, and again, pull it back. Stretch out that web. Good. Felt good. Okay. Other hand. So grasp the web part, pull back the thumb, make sure the thumb is straight. Try to reach that little finger while keeping the other finger straight. And again, pull that web back, finger straight. Okay, now we're gonna do our fingers. Fingers flexed and, no, extended and flexed, okay? So you don't have to put your hands, just relax. So we're just gonna open and close our hands. Okay, now we're gonna go back to hallelujahs. Make sure you lead with your thumbs. And turn and scoop. Make sure you're keeping that posture this whole time. Like you're a puppet and you have that bird in a cage. 2, 3. Okay, now we're gonna move down to our lower body. We're gonna do long arc quads, which just means you want at least 2 inches away from the chair. Okay, I'm a little short. You're just gonna kick one leg out. You're using your quads, okay? Nice and slow and controlled. And back down. Good. Now we're gonna do the other leg. Oh, I'm trying to do something. Okay, other leg. Make sure you're keeping that posture nice and slow. Okay, now we're gonna do marches. I'm a little too short. I'm gonna have to scoot up. So marches. Like that. Make sure you keep that posture. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now switch stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're gonna do toe touches at a 45-degree angle. Go, Boo. Okay, so basically you're just gonna tap out to the side. It's like a 45-degree angle and come back. Okay, this is your hip openers. I can feel my hip popping. Good. Now the other one. Make sure you're keeping tall. Don't do this. Okay? Okay, now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to tap over the leg, okay? So you're just going to tap. Let's do it with our toe. Tap with the toe, and then come back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now the other way. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to do ankle pumps. So scoot back in your chair. Ankle pumps is just raising your... That's enough. Raising your ankles up and down. That's our ankle pumps. These are very good. Stop it! Go lay down. Kofu, no. It's my toy. Nobody gets it. No. You're gonna, no. So ankle pumps. These are very good with increasing the circulation in your legs. Okay, now we're going to do ankle circles. So you're just going to circle your ankles. Good, and the other way. Okay, now we're going to do our toes. So you want to scrunch your toes and extend them. Scrunch, extend. Okay, now we're going to end with hallelujah. So again, lead with your thumbs, straight up, turn, and scoop. Last one. Good job, guys. Woo! Did good. Okay, that was called joint mobility workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry for the barking and me getting onto them. I know you couldn't hear me. So if you like videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell will show you more videos when it comes up. So thank you so much for participating. You did so good. See you later.